Creating lists with Excel. Click on Create New List under Member and List Management from Lists. Name your list and save. Click on Excel CSV from Add Member. Download the sample Excel file. Enter the information on the file and save it. Find it among your saved files to upload. Match your data with the names on the file. Your list is created successfully. You can view your number of members from the transaction history from Member and List Management. Simple as that. Euromessage Express. Fast, reliable, simple email marketing solution.